how to change the lock screen or the home screen wallpaper on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. And from the home screen, swipe down at the top, then tap on the settings icon. Next, in the settings page, we scroll down, then tap on wallpaper and style. In here, to change the home wallpaper, you can tap on the home screen, or you can tap on the lock screen to change the lock screen wallpaper. Now you can also tap on change wallpapers down here. This will allow you to change the wallpaper for both the lock screen and the home screen. Now in here at the top section, add a feature wallpaper that you can select. So tap on the arrow button that will allow you to select more feature wallpapers. Down here is the gallery. You can select a picture from the gallery to set as a wallpaper. You can choose creative and then tap on generative. This will attempt to generate a wallpaper for you. So just wait for that to finish. And in here you can see the phone will automatically generate some wallpaper automatically for you. And then you got graphical down here. You can choose graphical wallpaper. So select one of the wallpaper that you want to use. And here you can choose to apply to the lock screen, to the home screen. If you don't want to apply to one of the screen, just simply deselect the checkbox. And then tap on next. In here, you can also have the opportunity to change the widget on the lock screen, the time and the date, and the notification widget. Down here, you can tap on contact information to add in customized contact information. Once you are happy, tap on the done button. And that's it. Now if you go back to the home screen, you can see we have now changed the wallpaper for the home screen or the lock screen. So this is the lock screen right here. Now you can also touch and hold on the home screen. This will allow you to quickly tap on wallpaper and style. And from here you can change the wallpaper. So here I can tap on the lock screen. And here I can tap on wallpapers. And then I can select a wallpaper and then tap on done. And that will apply the change to the lock screen wallpaper only. The home screen wallpaper will be different to the lock screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe to my channel for more videos.